Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Proxy and VPN in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the drop-down menu with all your browser options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser experience. This is the control center for all your Chrome configurations, including network and proxy settings. Now, once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Click on System from this menu. The System section contains settings related to how Chrome interacts with your operating system, including proxy configurations that affect your internet connection. In the System settings, you'll find an option that says Open your computer's proxy settings. Click on this option. This will launch your operating system's native proxy configuration window, which controls how all applications on your computer connect to the internet, not just Chrome. This is where you'll make the actual changes to disable your proxy and VPN settings. In the proxy settings window that opens, you'll see a toggle button labeled Automatically Detect Settings. Click this toggle button to turn it off. Disabling this prevents your computer from automatically searching for and connecting to proxy servers on your network, giving you more direct control over your connection. Next, look for the section labeled Use Proxy Server. You'll see a button that says Setup next to it. Click on this Setup button to access the manual proxy configuration options. This is where you can control whether your computer routes traffic through a proxy server. Inside the proxy setup window, you'll see another toggle button. Make sure this toggle button is turned off. This ensures that your computer won't use any manually configured proxy server to route your internet traffic. By turning this off, you're making sure all your connections go directly to the internet without any intermediary servers. Once you've turned off the toggle, click the Save button to apply these changes. Your computer will now save these settings and stop using any proxy or VPN configurations through your system settings. And that's it. You've successfully disabled proxy and VPN settings in Google Chrome by adjusting your system's proxy configuration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.